How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. So here to tell you upfrontly, Instagram does not have a direct button to hide Instagram following and followers list, but there is a workaround through which you can hide your followers and followings. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on account privacy. And now here in this section, you simply have to turn on or toggle on the option that says private account. And once you do that, this will ensure that only approved followers can see your post, followers, and following list. And here, if you want to hide a list from specific people, then what you can do is you can simply go to the profile. And now here, once you're inside the profile, what you can do is just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from there you can simply restrict or remove. And once you do that, they won't be able to see your followers and following list clearly. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.